Hello dear students, I hope you all will be fine and shine. Today we will start our first lecture of quantity surveying. As I told you that we will start on Sunday, so today is Sunday and we will start our quantity surveying course. So first of all we will discuss about quantity surveying. What is quantity surveying and what is quantity surveyor? Okay, so quantity surveying, we deal with estimation, planning and control of cost. Estimation, planning and control of cost. So these are three things mainly studied in quantity surveying. Okay, now the next one is quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyor or QS. So a professional person is known as quantity surveyor, who can find the estimation, planning and control of cost. Who is responsible for these three things is known as QS. Okay, now the third one, the second topic is data required for the preparation estimation. So generally we need three things. Number one, drawing. Number second, specification. And number third, rates. So drawing, specification and rates are needed for the preparation of estimate. Number first one, drawing. In drawing, generally we use plans, elevation and cross section. These three things are given in drawing. Uh, elevation, cross section and plans. These three things are generally given in drawing. Okay, and in specification, use for quality. Specification word generally used for quality. Okay, so for example, in drawing, dimension of door is given, but the type of wood used is not given, as there is a huge difference between price of different woods. Or you can say in drawing, thickness of beam, slab or column, etc. is given in drawing, but a ratio of concrete is not given. So all these things are given in specification. I hope you will understand. Number third one is uh, rates. Rates are mostly taken from SOR. SOR. SOR, schedule of rates. Schedule of rates from different departments. In rates, we deal with materials by transport of materials and variable cost. Transport of material and labor cost. These three things are generally discussed in rates. So in Pakistan, different departments of, for example, CNW, CSR, composite schedule of rates, MES, PWD, etc. issues annually rates. Okay, so the next topic is types of quantity surveying. Types of quantity surveying. So there are two types. Number one, rough cost estimation. Number second, detailed cost estimation. Rough cost estimation is generally used by contractors who take small contracts for buildings, etc. Generally use rough cost estimation. In rough cost estimation, plinth area multiplied by per unit rate will give you estimation. Plinth area multiplied by per unit rate will give you estimate. And in detailed cost estimation, we find step by step quantity of all materials required in step by step work. For example, quantity required in foundation, quantity required in brickwork, superstructure, quantity required in slabs, parapet walls, etc. So find quantity per unit rate will give you estimate. Okay, so we will discuss about detailed cost estimation in a next lecture. Okay, so methods. Next topic is method of estimation. So we generally use two types. There are two types of methods of estimation. Number one, short wall, long wall method. Number second, center line method. These are two methods generally used for the estimation work. Short wall long wall method and center line method. Okay, we will discuss about short wall long wall method and center line method in the next lectures. So this was our first lecture about the basic. Okay, we will go from basics to professional in the upcoming lectures. Okay, as many students don't know about the basics, so that's why uh, I do that. So in the next lecture we will discuss about our next topic. So stay tuned, and if you have any question, do comments time uh, 2 hour. Okay, thank you.